If someone was to come up to you and offer you a free meal or give you a coffee or try to give you money, would you accept it? And I want you to really think about, every time someone is trying to do something for you, trying to do a kind gesture to you, how do you go about receiving that? Do you say, oh, no, thank you, it's fine? Hey, this is Patrick Mitzing with today's abundance training, and it's all about deserving and accepting. A lot of times when you're going through life and people are trying to offer you things, a lot of us say, no, 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 thank you, that's fine. For instance, my niece the other day went to Tim Hortons for coffee with her dad, and she found a bunch of elderly people just behind them. So she opened the door for these elderly people, and they all walked in, and they're all saying thank you, thank you, thank you. But then the last one said, this was so kind for you to do this. Let me buy you your guys' drinks. And she's like, no, no, that's fine, we have enough. And so that is really important to understand. When you're telling the world you have enough, when you're telling the universe, the creator, God, everything that is, that you have enough, then that's all you're going to get. You're not going to get more. You're saying you're not going to be able to attract more. So many of us have a problem with the idea of deserving and accepting all the good things that are coming into your life. And so you have to fix that and figure out, where does this come from? Where I don't want to accept abundance. I don't want to accept good things that are coming to me. When I learned this for myself, I found out that, it comes from living in poverty. It comes from low self-esteem. It comes from not having a lot growing up, that you're so used to not having much that you're almost afraid of abundance. You're almost afraid to get good blessings coming to you from all different directions at all times. And so you have to train yourself, and you have to teach yourself how to accept the abundance that's coming to your life, how to accept all the good things that are coming into your life. And one way to do that is just to start saying yes, accepting everything that's coming to you. If someone wants to hold the door for you, if someone wants to buy you a coffee, if somebody wants to clean your garage for you free of charge, start accepting all this abundance that's coming to you and being okay with it, and not thinking, oh, I might have to owe this person back in the future. Maybe you will, but just start being okay with accepting even people's time, people's love, everything like that. And what I suggest for you is to get a journal and start writing all the good things that are coming into your life. And that's what I started doing. I call it a gratitude journal. And I started writing all the cool things that was happening in my life. For example, I was walking down the road, and this is when I was really struggling and didn't live in this big giant mansion here. But I would find a quarter on the ground, and I would pick it up, and I would say, thank you, Creator, for bringing this quarter into my life. Yes, I've been wanting and asking for more money, and now I'm going to accept this quarter. Even if it was just a quarter, a penny, or whatever, I started writing all this down in my journal. And when friends would call me and say, hey, Patrick, I'm going to come visit. Do you want any coffee from Tim Hortons? I'll stop by and pick one up. I'd say, yeah, pick me up. And I would make my order, and I started accepting it. So here's what happens spiritually. What we focus on expands. And so when we start focusing on all the good things that are coming in our life, and we start accepting all the good things that are coming in our life, it expands. So it gets bigger and bigger. So those things, this quarter turned into a free trip to Toronto or Montreal, and it all led up to me accepting income. Like today I had a $30,000 day. I picked up a check, and I got to deposit that today, which is amazing. And then it led me to free trips to Super Bowl, Paris, Japan, all these good stuff. So this 100% works. Start accepting all the good things that are coming in your life. Write them down, make a journal of it, and just be grateful for everything that's coming into your life, because what you focus on expands and gets bigger, and you're gonna enjoy all the abundance that starts coming into your life. This is Patrick Mitzing. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.